This is my first of probably many recordings. I feel that it's necessary, if I'm going to continue to operate appropriately as a legal advocate, that I start to advocate for myself and also advocate for my daughter. As a proponent for the LGBTQ community, for our legal community, women's rights, I feel that it's important that I use this platform that was thrust upon me and now look at as a blessing as opposed to the curse that it has been since 2008.
The actions of certain individuals can be strikingly reminiscent of their malevolent father in spirit. These individuals exhibit a tendency to shape-shift, evading accountability. For them, true repentance serves as a form of kryptonite. It has the potential to dismantle their inflated egos, which constitutes their very identity. Outside of this ego, they struggle to exist. They are not genuinely interested in restoration. Rather, they seek forgiveness without any demonstration of remorse on their part. They possess a keen understanding of forgiveness, recognizing that it can obscure transgressions. However, they often wish to avoid the outcome that even the Creator would impose on unrepentant souls, and that is a deliberate turning away from them. Their need for attention, whether positive or negative, fuels their actions. When you withdraw your attention and establish boundaries, it may be perceived as indifference or even opposition, which can drive them away. It is through resistance and boundary setting, after all, that one can compel the devil and those of his nature. These individuals tend to thrive on validation and cannot tolerate exposure. As previously noted, they loathe the idea of repentance, often resorting to blame shifting, gaslighting, and adopting various roles such as a victim or hero to evade accountability. They may feign concern for various causes or portray themselves as exemplary parents, dad of the year, mom of the year, in the presence of others, all in a desperate bid to avoid confronting their own shortcomings while still harboring a fundamentally wicked nature. This behavior is exemplified by individuals like Casey Anthony. When one establishes boundaries with such people, it often leads to being perceived as an adversary. This dynamic may also explain the pervasive animosity many harbor towards God, as he too enforces boundaries that unrepentant and narcissistic individuals resist, often viewing those who uphold such boundaries as the antagonist. There's no reasoning with someone who has such a skewed view on life. Once again, this is why boundary setting and turning away from such is so important. Peace is a commodity. Most people these days do not have it. So when you find it, or even a pocket of it, it's so important to protect it. No matter what anyone else thinks, you must protect your peace at all costs. Peace is a gift from God that those who thrive in chaos seek to destroy any chance they get. Unrepentance is a curse. Understand that these souls are never at rest.